Hi guys, so this is my analysis on Monero. What was I expecting on Monero? If you watched my previous analysis on Monero, I said I was expecting Monero to push out to at least my negative 27% fib level, and because of the way it was reacting, we can see an impulse here, a correction of more of like a rectangular pattern which shows a continuation pattern. So I was expecting a push to at least the upside right here, but as we can see that we did not push to the upside. We broke this trend line and continued to push down to the other trend line. So I'm going to delete my previous analysis and say, based on my I reanalyze based on this current analysis, current price action. So I can draw a trend line from here to here to, so we can see right around this area right here. So if I zoom in a little bit, let me go to a bigger time frame. We can see that we are currently on an uptrend, and we are currently around a trend line where whenever we get there, we bounces. We can see first when we got here, we bounced the first time, the second time, and we are currently around there for the third time. So that shows us a possibility that we might continue to push to the upside. So based on that right here, and we can see that it's giving me more of like a double bottom right here, which means that shows that it's a reversal pattern. So there's a possibility that we are going to push to the upside. So those are like added confluence. One confluence is we are currently around the trend line, that whenever in the parallel price action, whenever we get to that trend line, it bounces. So that's one confluence. And that confluence is showing more of reversal pattern around that area. So those are my confluences for it to continue to push to the downside. And even if I draw a trend line right here, we can call this a break of trend line around this area too. So it's giving me more of like a confluence for us to go to the upside. So what am I expecting, right? And we can see right around this area here, there's a break of trend line and it hasn't retested yet. So I see a possibility of it pushing up to that trend line to retest it. We may now see it either continue to push to the downside or break this trend line, retest the trend line, and continue to push to the upside. So going either direction will determine, whenever we get to this trend line right here, the way it reacts around this trend line will determine if we're going to continue to push the upside or continue to drop to the downside. But we have to take it one step at a time. So I see it, like I said, at least from here to around this area right here. I can put a price tag. So we can see the price tag and we can see what we are doing going next. So I'm just, like I said, I still think my bias is more of a buy. Then we'll now decide whenever we get to here to see whatever it's going to happen. So that's my quick thought on Monero, guys. If you find this helpful and insightful, if you get anything from this, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys.